Welcome to African Village Life, African Village Breakfast. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joki Mugo from M County, Kenya, Africa. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Kindly share, like, and comment. We are now 750 subscribers, way to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. If you are not my supporters, I could never reach there. Kindly watch my channel. Today we are cooking sweet potatoes direct from farm for breakfast with tea. Remember, sweet potatoes you can take for breakfast or snacks. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Wow, I'm not good in English, so I'm trying my best. Those are sweet potatoes direct from the farm. This is an African queen. You have to fetch sweet potatoes direct from the farm. Wow. Wow, remember it is a sunny day. You have to be so busy looking for sweet potatoes. Kindly support my channel, comment, let me know in the next episode what you would you like me to cook. Wow, today we are cooking sweet potatoes for breakfast with the tea. Wow, direct sweet potatoes from farm. Wow, we are straight away to the stream, to the river, to wash our sweet potatoes. Then we go with them while they are clean. Wow, this is a village stream. Wow, we wash our sweet potatoes direct from the stream. Wow, those are sweet potatoes. Kindly comment. Let me know in your country, in your fridge, how do you cook sweet potatoes? Where do your sweet potatoes come from? Ours here in Kenya, we fetch our sweet potatoes from farm, directly from the farm. You have to go home with the water and sweet potatoes where they are clean. This is an African mom. Kindly share, like, and comment. Wow, this is a nature life. Those are roots, bananas in the forage. Wow, you can see. Wow, remember in the village they are so sharp forage, so you have to climb smoothly. Those are sweet potatoes direct from the farm. Wow, when we reach the village direct, we put our sweet potatoes in the kitchen. Remember, we use firewood for cooking. We use 3 stones for cooking. Our sufuria are black in color outside. So we have to boil sweet potatoes, nothing else. We boil sweet potatoes, we cover our sufuria with banana leaf, then we boil for 1 hour. Those sweet potatoes will be lengthy. Wow, you can see, those are sweet potatoes. We have to cook with a big sufuria because everyone in the morning in the village, we shall eat those sweet potatoes all together. We can eat them in the morning. We can eat them as a snack at 4. Remember, we are located in Kenya, Africa. We are located in Embu, Eastern Kenya, Africa. Kindly support my channel by subscribing to my channel, commenting, like, and share so that I can reach my goal. Wow, I'm not yet been invited by Meta, and I would like to be invited. Those are sweet potatoes. You have to open those leaves slowly by slowly. Remember, they can burn you. They are so hot. Our sweet potatoes are ready. You have to look whether they are ready. They are ready. Wow. Those are our sweet potatoes. This is African farm. African here in Wow. Our sweet potatoes are ready. We peel them, the outer cover, then we take them with the tea. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for the returning viewers, returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Kindly share, like, and comment to your friends so that they can also subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section, an African queen is an African mom. How do you cook your sweet potatoes? Where do you find your sweet potatoes? Ours in Kenya, we find them direct from the farm. So you can take sweet potatoes with tea, with black coffee, with green tea, anything else. Or you can take them with water. Wow, those are sweet potatoes. Enjoy your meal. Yummy and delicious. Welcome. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Subscribe, guys. Kindly. Humble request. I'm not good in English. Subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.